my god, Aniska, how dare you ground cattle in dance B? That's it, you are grounded, 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 grounded forever, we mean it.
Go to bed now.
Oh my god. Eric, UTTP is back. You are so grounded, 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 grounded for grounding Catherine Dansby. Go to bed now.
Why?